Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this to 50 likes. Come do it. Yes, we can. Smash the like button. And subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time there's a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, that wraps the video. Like I said in the beginning, come get this to 50 likes. Yes, we can. Smash like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comment shout out join for the comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Douma from Demon Slayer. I hope you enjoyed this as I did. I had fun making strong, especially with these type of drawings because I always love playing around with the colors on characters. I think it came out super cool. I love how vibrant the colors came out. So I hope you enjoyed this as I did. And if you want to see more Demon Slayer drawings, let me know by smashing the like button to let me know. I'm going to be linking some drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure to find some anime characters I've drawn for they may really like, so we should check it out since we in the description. And I also have a Demon Slayer drawing playlist here, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.